So check this out. From here, the first thing that we're going to do is when you open it up, you're going to click right here on the little eye for the origin, and you're going to be able to see this thing, this box looking thing right here. What this represents is different planes where you can draw. This is going to be your X, and it shows you right here. That's your X, the red one. This is going to be your Y. And this blue one is going to be your Z. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to select this one. And we are going to insert a canvas. I'm going to insert it from my computer. And the one that we are going to do today is going to be the pawn. I'm going to open it up. And it's right here. Right now, I can actually move it from here to here. I want to try to make it so it's kind of close to this y-axis right here. And then I'm going to press OK. Oh, the opacity, I'm going to change this one to 40. Sounds good. And then we're going to make it OK. We are going to change it later. So I have it right here. And if I press Shift and the scroll wheel, I can actually make it move like this. I can click on front. And I have it like this. Now I'm going to have to change it. I'm going to have to calibrate it to make it the size that I want it. First of all, I'm going to check on document settings, check that mine is on inches, and if yours is not, you can change it. And you can change the unit type right here. In my case, I am going to open the canvas, and this is the pawn. That's my picture. I'm going to do a right click. I'm going to click calibrate. Then I'm going to click right here right on the top and right here on the bottom. So this one right now is 2.24 something inches. So I'm going to change it to 2. Right now that's going to be a little bit bigger than this one, the one that I have. So I'm going to press OK. And you see that it changed the size. Now we can go back, do a right click and edit. And I can just select it and move it somewhere around here. What I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to do the X distance to 0. And the Y distance is going to be 0 as well. So it's going to be like right here, right on the corner. That's going to be important for later. That's going to make our lives easier. So we don't have to change anything. I'm going to press OK. Now that I have this, I actually want to create something else. I want to create a new sketch. And I'm going to select the same plane right here. And I can zoom in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this line. And I actually have my 3-point arc right here with me. And it's already on top. You probably don't have this one. So you're going to have to click on Create. And then you're going to have to find your arc. And then the one that we are going to be using is the 3-point arc. And I'm going to pin it right here to the toolbar. So right here with the line, I'm going to start right here. From here to here, this is a straight line. But from here to here, it's not a straight line. So I'm just going to click on the 3-point arc. So I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to click at the end. And then I click somewhere around here in the middle. Do you see it? I'm going to do another one so you can see it. Click at the beginning, click at the end, and one click somewhere right here, and you're going to try to make it look the same. We can change this one later on. We can fix it. So one right here, and then one right here in the middle. This one the same, one from here. This one is a little bit weird, so I'm gonna try to zoom in. I'm not sure if I can do this one. I'm gonna click escape because I didn't like it. 3-point arc. I'm gonna click at the beginning, click at the end, click in the middle, and I can change this later. Now I'm gonna drag it by clicking and just dragging. I'm gonna zoom in. You're gonna have to get used to like moving around like this using your scroll wheel. That's very helpful. I'm gonna keep doing an arc. Do it from here to here. And there you go. This one is a straight line, so I'm gonna do a straight line from here to here. And now this is an arc. It's an arch right here from here to here. There you go. Another straight line from here to here. I'm gonna drag it. And then now I just have this one right here. If I just do one big, I can just do one big arc, but I'm gonna make it in a couple. You know what? I'm gonna change the shape a little bit. And I'm gonna do one from here, one right here at the end. And I'm gonna change the shape mostly because I want to. I don't know, it doesn't look the same, but I kind of want to make it a little bit more circular. And then at the end, to finish, I'm gonna do one last one. It's a straight line from all the way up here to all the way to the bottom. If I complete and everything is close, it's gonna turn blue. If it's not blue and it doesn't fill up, it means that something is open and you're gonna have to go and find what is open around here. Got it? You can finish the sketch. And now you have this. You can click on home to make it move around, or you can press shift and the scroll wheel to turn it around. We're gonna click on revolve. It kind of selects the profile. If you want to select a different profile, you can click right here and select the profile that you want. And now it's asking you to select your axis. So I am going to select the Y right here to make it look like that. Also, if you want, you can look at it. You can actually change. You can grab it from here. And you could just make half of it. You can make, and you can choose your degrees. On our case, we do want to have it at 360. We have something like this, and we're going to press OK. Later on, you're going to save it right here on File. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click Save, and you're going to call it Pawn, which is our first chess piece. All right, and then you can save it. When you are done, I want you to take a picture, and I want you to upload it in Canvas. Sounds good? All righty.